Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is autoclave, which is a stainless steel outside and inside chamber is also stainless steel. This one is a water level, 3 feet are there for taking out the water. This one stopcock. This one is for steam taking out. You can, when you open it, the steam will come out. First of all, you have to fill the water. From here, you can fill the water and see that the water is coming to this place minimum. You have to open it. From this, there is this you can move, and all these will be opened. And I show you inside also. There is one basket inside. These are the plugs, and it has a gauge which is like this. The gauge will give you the pressure inside. And this one, there are two whistles. One is up to 30 pound, 15 pound. One will give you a whistle after the 30 pound when the autoclave has completed the job. If it is blocked due to any reason, the other will work. And there is another safety valve, third one. This one is third one. It will be blowing when these both will be blocked. So now I show you the inside. This one has a hinges body and there is very heavy. Please take care that it does not fall. You should keep it with the hand. This one is a basket. Inside you can see this one is a heater. The water heater is there for all the items can be put in this chamber. This is a stainless steel basket, and then this one is also stainless steel. Inside and all these are all stainless steel parts. You have to keep the product which you need to sterilize, say instruments or gauze or any other petri dish. Then you have to close one by one from this and another from the other side first, and then from this side one from this front, and then from the other side like this. You have to tighten them in the opposite direction of each. Then from this and then like this. After tightening this all, you have to again do the same. First tighten this, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then again check it once again so that there is no gas or the space is left, so that it is completely fitted to the bottom. Then you have to connect the wire. This one is for main indicator. I am not connecting it, so when you switch it on, this will show you that the indicator power is coming. This will show you the heater is working. So this will show that the heater is working. When after say about 10, 20, 30 minutes or 40 minutes, this will create steam, sterilize the product, and then it will show you the pressure also. Inside may go up to 15 or 20 pound. Mostly it is set for 15 or 16 pound. Then it will start a whistle like pressure cooker in the home, and then you can see that the pressure cooker will work, and then the steam will come out, and it will be after 2-3 whistles. Then you can stop this and after 10 minutes, 5 minutes of working, just release the steam. When the steam is released, slowly release little bit, slow, and then slow, more release, then keep it closed, then slowly release it to the full. When it is almost complete, then you can just close it again and open this, so the whole water will come out. But before that, it should be switched off. You should switch it off, and then when the water has come out, steam has come out, let it remain for 10-20 minutes inside all the products, and then you can open all the this stop cocks, and then you can use the product inside. Please visit the website, and this is our email, abron01@gmail.com, www.abronexports.com. This is my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp number. Please share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel by Abron. We have got these two products which you can see is a laminar. This one is a biosafety cabinet. This one is a laminar airflow. We have got oven, incubator. All those instruments are available with us. Please visit the website and share the channel. Thank you very much.